Hey everyone, today I will show you how to transfer money from your WealthSimple account to bank account. Let's dive in. First of all, open the WealthSimple app or visit the WealthSimple website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the funding tab like this, or if you are using the app, tap on the menu and select withdraw funds. Next, choose the account you would like to withdraw from, whether it's personal, TFSA, or RRSP account. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Make sure to the bank account is already linked to your oil sample account. Review the details and once you are sure everything is correct, hit submit to confirm the transfer. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reach your bank account, and that's it. You have successfully transferred money from WellSimple to your bank. Thanks for watching.